Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you two methods to merge cells in LibreOffice Calc. So for example, we have here as simple data. We have inserted here name of the city and two names of people. So for example, I would like to merge four cells in LibreOffice Calc. So I'm going to select these four cells because I would like to merge them all. And now if I would like to do it, I need to go to Format and I need to go to Merge and Unmerge Cells. Now you will see here two important options. First one is Merge and Center Cells, and the second one is Merge Cells. So for example, I will select this one option, Merge and Center Cells, and how you see, it has been successfully merged and centered. So now let's try the second option. So for example, I will select these two cells, and now I go to Format, I go to Merge and Unmerge Cells, and I select here this one option, Merge Cells. How you see, two cells have been successfully merged, but now text isn't centered. And maybe last time I will try to select these two cells, I will go to Format, I will go to Merge and Unmerge Cells, and this time I will select this one option, Merge and Center Cells. So now it is centered and merged. Of course, remember that you can always try to unmerge this cell. If you will go to Format and you open here Merge and Unmerge Cells, you can select this one option, Unmerge Cells. Alternatively, you can try to use icons from your toolbar. You can find here two options that you can try to use. It may be really useful for you. Everything of course depends on your preferences. So I recommend you to try these settings in LibreOffice Calc. So it's all for today. If I helped you, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it's solved your problem.